today we're gonna see how to connect mouse to phone. Firstly, you need to download the Always Visible Mouse for free app. Open the app and allow it to be used as a service and overlay on your phone. Now, drag your finger on the mouse icon to move on the on-screen pointer. The app is also offering face recognition, but regular tap-to-click works best. So, basically, you're gonna download the app, bring your Bluetooth mouse, activate your Bluetooth on your iPhone or mobile Android device. I suspect that it would work on iPhone, it only works on Android. So when you find your mouse on Bluetooth, just connect to it, then go to the app, and you can use your mouse on your phone. Adjust mouse size, sensitivity, and color to your preference, and this is a great alternative if you need precision control on Android with a mouse. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.